Have you ever wondered why you get hiccups? Some people think that hiccups are a sign of growth, but that's bullshit. So let me explain. When you get them, your diaphragm, the muscle responsible for your breathing, suddenly contracts involuntarily, causing a sudden intake of breath. But why? Well, the diaphragm contracting out of rhythm can occur due to a variety of triggers. Some common causes include eating too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, sudden excitement, stress, or even changes in temperature. These triggers can irritate the nerves connected to the diaphragm, causing it to spasm and creating that hiccup sound.